I'm at the Shivri Christian Cemetery. Shivri. This is the Shivri Christian Cemetery. I'm Advocate Cyril Dara, Secretary of Christian Reform United People Association. Yeah, this is Shivri Christian Cemetery. In spite of the BMC orders, the authorities of the Shivri Christian Cemetery were refusing burial of the COVID victims. Tomorrow morning, we have to do a funeral of Brother Anthony Richard Peters from Masgon. I had to complain to the police, the cops had come, I had to complain to the BMC, and now they have allowed doing the burial of the COVID victim. But now they are saying that we should get our own diggers and dug the grave for Brother Richard. And this is the plot. Unfortunate for the community. Today is 13th June 2020 and I am here at the Shivri Christian Cemetery and the time is around 6:30 here. Let's hope now we'll have to hunt for the grave diggers. It's quite a big plot. The trustees of the cemetery, it's very unfortunate. They're treating the COVID victims like untouchables. I think they are planning this to be given, but we have to arrange all the diggers here. Not to give any employees, any malis from the cemetery. So it's become like that we have to dig our own grave now. It's a very unfortunate situation because they are saying they are scared, and I have told them, I have tried to convince them that I will be with you to dig the grave, but they are refusing to dig. This is the coffin getting ready for Brother Richard Anthony Peters. And here's a friend Abbas Bhai who's making the coffin himself. The funeral is. This is the rear gate of Shivri Christian Cemetery. They have allowed us to take the COVID body from the rear gate, from this gate. This is Shivri Christian Cemetery. Sunday 14 June 2020. Early morning we have reached here. This is 7:45. This is the site allotted to us, the COVID victim burials, and today there is going to be the first COVID burial.
We believe that all the ties of friendship and affection, which knit us as one throughout our lives, do not unravel with death. Confident that God always remembers the good we have done.
Brother Richard Anthony Peter was a parishioner or a member of St. Anne's Church, Masgon. And the family, they have done the prayers, the final funeral prayers. Unfortunately, even today their priest is not present. I'm Advocate Cyril Dara, and with me is Brother Daryl D'Souza. Daryl, this is the first time a COVID victim burial has been done in Shivri Christian Cemetery. What you have to say about it?
I would thank everyone, especially the BMC, for opening up all the cemeteries in Mumbai. There was an issue for burial of this body too at cemetery. However, it has been resolved amicably and not getting into police action or something more or contempt of court. I request, since everything has gone peacefully and going good, the only request now would be to the Cardinal and all the priests, the hierarchy. Kindly attend the funerals of those who are dying. Send a priest. COVID is not spread
Right.
when the body is already in the coffin.
Right.
So please understand.
This is my friend Asad Askari. He is from the Iranian Muslim community. Two brothers who are digging the grave. Their faith is also different. But friends, these people have come for the help of our Christian community. Come forward, give respectful burials to your
Near
loved
and dear
ones,
ones.
near and dear ones. And there's a good news that certain church cemeteries are also opened up. And I request the authorities of the Shivuri Christian Cemetery also that what they have done today, they have
Kindly
not
continue it.
Continue it and
Continue it without any hassles, without any trouble,
And without any
and let it go
harassment.
smoothly.
yeah, yesterday on the 13th of June 2020, I was here in the evening, but they were not agreeing for this burial here, the COVID
Correct.
burial here. But ultimately, finally, I had to go to the police and complain to the BMC, and then they came into action. The authorities of the cemeteries,
Correct.
who are priests, somehow they have allowed. Yesterday evening, I came here, I recorded the entire place, and then morning, they did not give us the diggers after requesting several times. So they should stop this harassment. And our Muslim friends, my friends, our brothers, they came here and they dug the grave for Brother Anthony. And it's a humble request to the authorities that next time for any funeral, please do not harass your
Kindly
children.
give your staff.
Yeah,
Yes.
right.
The Muslim brethren who came today to dig the grave, they have helped. However, they do not belong to this cemetery. Every cemetery has its own people. Would request, kindly cooperate, kindly understand. COVID does not spread in this way. So please, you give them a decent burial. And we have small divisions. However, due to the efforts of Cyril Dara and various associations associated and in connection with him, they have, and people also who have spent time, their knowledge, their expertise to get this situation, to get the pandemic issue resolved. In the same way, would request you all to come to.
Because this was the first COVID funeral we had at the Shivuri Cemetery. We are very grateful and thankful to the authorities, the BMC, the police, the authorities at the Shivuri Cemetery. In a very special way, we'd like to thank Cyril, Daryl, Asad, because they were instrumental in ensuring that we Christians have the liberty and the right, and they were very sensitive to our feelings, to allow us to give our departed a very decent burial and send off after all the trauma they've gone through. So we would like to thank them and thank everyone who has contributed in any way.
Friends, with your prayers and with your great support, and with organizations like the Association of Concerned Catholics, the Secretary of AOCC, Mr. Melvin Fernandez, and especially an amazing support of our Advocate Joaquim Fernandez, we could take out this.
Chalo, praise the Lord.